Just want to quickly go through today and give you a quick rundown on what is Fantom. I want to show you how this could be an Ethereum killer. So if you're into blockchain or you're just learning about it, then you're about to have a look into how we could become, or Fantom itself could become the #1 blockchain. And there's various reasons why this could occur. But the main reason of this video is to show you through some of the exciting things that are happening on Fantom. But first we're going to run through why Fantom is making moves in the layer 1 space. So Fantom itself is about to release the Fantom virtual machine, okay? So this here is a direct replacement over the EVM. You're going to have this Fantom virtual machine in operation, which we've just had this conference in Miami where everyone's gone through and explained a lot of what's occurring there, but it's some pretty amazing stuff, even a bit over my head when it comes to all the tech behind this. But we're looking at the scalability problems and fixing them, identifying all those bottlenecks. And by the time you get down the bottom here and we open up to the experiment, you're starting to see that Fantom can actually operate faster than Visa and MasterCard. So you're going to have this scalable network that is operating like for a penny to utilize, and really is going to be the future for people to build on. So that's a little bit about the FVM and why I'm so excited about what's coming towards the end of the year. This is going to be as exciting as ETH 2.0 in my opinion for the Fantom network. Like, it's going to be the biggest upgrade for a long time anyway with Fantom. So it's an amazing time, and I think we're going to see this ride up as we get to that. Obviously, Fantom is about speed, security, and scalability. Already, 200 plus dApps deployed, little equalizer down here, which is good to see us on that front page there. But really, Fantom network is growing. The volumes are increasing. The TVL's been increasing over time. It's in a really good spot at the moment, and a really good place to operate and do DeFi. And if you're starting to get involved and watch what we're doing, you're going to start to see how heavily we're going to show people how to do DeFi on Fantom. Because, you've got things like Mummy, you've got this leveraged trading systems coming in. For the way you operate and the cost and the speed and scalability of this network, you're going to be very impressed when you're starting to do like leveraged trades and things like that on the network. So Andre Kanye, pretty impressive resume, if not one of the most impressive resumes in crypto to date. Director of Fantom Foundation, Yearn Finance. So anyone that is not familiar with Andre might be familiar with Yearn Finance, which he actually created. So there you go. He created Fantom. He did another project which isn't listed here, which is blown up. If you're on DeFi, Llama solidly is right up there with the top forked protocol now. He made the primitive, released it on Fantom, and then it's literally been forked and is starting to really cause havoc across the network with other UniV2 dexes in particular. But it's sucking in liquidity at huge amounts across all of these dexes. So we're starting to see the system that he was the creator of now be deployed across all of the networks. Remembering it started here on Fantom. I'm only giving you a really quick run through on what to expect with Fantom, why it's so important. But what I want to show you is I want to show you how to get set up on Fantom. So if you're just using, say, Ethereum at the moment, or you've ventured as far as setting up like a BSC wallet, Binance Smart Chain, or adapting to their network, I should say, it's very simple to go into Metamask. You can follow this guide here on how to set it up, but you simply click in there, come down here, settings, networks. We add a network, and we can add one here, go in and input this data, and you'll be set up on Fantom. I've obviously got Fantom set up a couple of times, but you'll be very happy that you went through and did that. The next thing I want to do is I want to show you simple swap on Fantom. So we're going to use our own exchange equalizer. We put the 25% in, that'll help. So we're going to get about $10 worth of equal here. You're going to see it's going to go through all these paths and do it for you. But this is the beauty of Fantom, right? Because we're about to do a swap. You're going to see it open up, and I'm expecting about a cent. So let's just see what happens here. So we open up, and here you go. The gas using 0.0286 to do this, and it's 1 cent. So if you have used other networks, you're going to be extremely impressed on how fast Fantom is to finality. Swap's already done, so you're probably going, wow, that's quicker than I'm expecting on other networks. And at the same time, it costs you 1 cent. So imagine all the transactions you can do in DeFi applications, which we're going to start introducing you to a life of DeFi, where you can do actions and transactions enable you to earn rewards in all different types of ways. You can provide liquidity. There's lots and lots of different actions you can perform. Equalizer itself has these actions, and you're doing these actions for like a cent.